Now time for the weather.
Thank you, and as you can see from the weather pattern on the screen, Mother Nature has pretty much suggested that we stay indoors today.
What's up everybody, I'm Lance and welcome to the vlog. The year is now 2017. That's crazy. Anyhow, in 2016 I kicked off Weed News at 420 and I decided that I'd get a little bit more personal and relaxed and make something that has more of a chill attitude to it for 2017. I'll still be making Weed News videos. In fact, I'll probably make double the amount that I did last year. I just wanted to show you guys my world for a while. I think that's what vlogs are all about anyhow. The past week or so, it's been brutally cold out here. If you live in the Midwest, you totally understand. It's kind of odd for where we're at because, seriously, one day it could be 60 degrees and the next it could be having a blizzard or an ice storm. So we wound up having an ice storm and I just couldn't take it anymore. I could not stay inside. I had to get out. My friend calls me the cannabis trailblazer, and so I had to go blaze some trails, man. The most dangerous thing about the ice storms, it's not the ice on the roads, although it could be some of the people who don't know how to drive on ice. It's the ice buildup on the power lines and tree branches that'll get you. The ice can get heavy enough to pull down the power lines and the branches. The branches could fall on your cars. And the power lines, well, that'll leave you without power for who knows how long. With all that aside, I love getting out in the snow and ice. In fact, I drove through a whole lot of snow and ice. Just last April, I drove to Colorado and then Seattle, Washington, Oregon, and all the way back. You know, it is just beautiful out here. Riding through all this ice and everything. It's gorgeous. It's like riding through a glass crystal village. You're not going to see this kind of a view sitting in your house with an Xbox controller or a computer in front of you. You're not going to see this kind of a view with a 4K TV. You have to actually get out, get active, and get in the world to go see this kind of view. I guess it can be a little bit dangerous, but it is absolutely gorgeous. The mist, the ice, you have to get out and explore it. But that's what my channel's about. It's about showing you something that you don't get to see every day. Rather, you're not able to leave the house due to a disability or the fact that you work all the time. And whenever you do get home, you have to sleep or hang out with the family. Well, that's what my channel's for, so that you can get out there and enjoy some of the stuff, and whenever you have a chance or the ability, you can go out and do it. Somebody was cool enough to tell me once that you can do anything that you want in life, if you want it bad enough. Sure, there are going to be obstacles, not unlike this fallen tree in the road. Just navigate your way around them and keep on your track. You can do whatever you want. You just have to figure out what your abilities are and play off of your strength. And it's really cold. I think it's about time to head back to the house and get some hot cocoa. If you've made it this far in the video, then I guess I have a 50-50 chance that you like it, or it's like a bad accident on the highway. You just can't turn your head away. Either way, I've got your attention, and I wanted to say thank you. Without you guys, I wouldn't have much of a channel. So, interacting with me is really important. Let me know what you thought about the video, or what you'd like to see in future videos. On YouTube, the comment section below the video is a really great spot to do that. You can also find me on Twitter, Instagram, Snapchat sometimes, and I'm on Facebook. I got a group and a page. If you're into binge watching videos, I also have an app in the Google Play Store. The app is dedicated towards videos, and you'll be able to find a lot of other great weed tubers in there as well. And last but not least, weednews@420.com is a really great place to find all kinds of information, and it'll take you to all the places that you'll be able to find me, like Twitter and all that. This is the first vlog I've done, and I hope it's been pretty good. I've really had a whole lot of fun making it, and I hope you guys have had a lot of fun watching. However, Weed News at 420, you're about to see some really exciting stuff go on there. You can plan on seeing more videos coming out from me every week. I'm planning on doing a vlog every week, but give me a break if I don't. Do you think my vlog should be a part of the Weed News at 420 lineup, or should it take off onto its own channel and kind of do its own thing there? Let me know in the comment section. I'm not going to spend every video telling you guys to go check me out here and there. I'm just really excited about everything that I knocked out in 2016. And the kicker, it hasn't even been a whole year yet. I started in April.